I'm intrigued on how widespread this is now, because a few years ago, there was a stigma, wasn't there, about offshoring and outsourcing? It was experimental back then.
Yeah, and the data is showing that it's much more mainstream now. Across all the firms in our latest survey, 47% are using offshore staff, and around 37% are outsourcing tax returns or project based work. So we're getting very close to half the profession using some form of global outsourced offshore staffing. And when you look at the larger firms, those numbers are even higher. For firms over 75 million in revenue, nearly 7 out of 10 firms are using offshore staff. This is telling us that it's not just a tactical decision anymore. It's becoming a structural part of how firms are choosing to operate.
So, in other words, the bigger the firm, the more integrated this strategy becomes. And that makes sense. They've got the infrastructure, they've got the workflow systems to actually manage global teams.
Yeah, larger firms have the scale and processes that allow them to run more complex delivery models. But I think what's interesting is that the smaller firms are really starting to experiment with it too.